Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Clear the bunk and confirm mattress alignment so corners meet frame. Once done, place the fitted sheet tightly and tug from the corners to remove slack. This prevents wrinkles that snag. Make sure the top sheet is centered with equal overhang on both sides, then fold down about 6 inches at the head. These first moves set tension and symmetry for the entire process, so work deliberately and keep motion crisp to save rework later. You now form the crisp edges with hospital corners. Lift the mattress corner, tuck excess sheet under the foot, fold the exposed triangle down, and tuck the remaining flap snugly beneath. Once complete, walk the bed's perimeter, pulling each seam taut with both hands to ensure even tension. Fingers should smooth wrinkles outward. Next, align the blanket on top of the sheet, keeping a small reveal at the head so the fold looks uniform. These steps produce the flat, sharp look required. You finish by inspecting corners and seams, tightening any looseness with a firm tug. Perfection is visible from the foot of the bunk. Place the pillow centered at the head, with the open end tucked under if regulations demand, and adjust the pillowcase so edges line up. If you see bunching or uneven tension, don't smooth. Retuck that corner or replace the sheet to restore proper tension. This final check ensures your bed meets standards and prevents problems during inspections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.